Hi, I'm Suhan and today we are gonna talk about a new problem or a problem which arises when you are learning HTML for first time, or I have seen many developers who are working on backend, and when they try to work on front end, this problem is faced by everyone or almost everyone. So today we will talk about it. The problem that arises in the beginning of learning a HTML, or you can say when we use an anchor tag, is that how to insert a new tab in the Chrome when clicking a link. You can see here I will demonstrate an example, then we will go to the code. In this, if I want to return to my main page, I will click on the blog and it will redirect me to the blog without opening a new tab, as it is a default feature of HTML. But suppose I want to open this YouTube channel, but also I don't want to redirect my user to a new or to other website and cancel this one. So I have to add a new tab. For adding this, I made like it that a new tab is been added and it redirects me to Suhan Bandari, my channel. And now we will see by coding how this works. Now let's get started on the coding part. I have made a basic HTML which I will copy the path and paste here. It's a basic HTML file containing nothing. First I will write h1 heading, h1, and in this links. Now I will add an anchor tag down here and I will name it other.html, which will redirect me to this other.html, and in other.html I will write h1 other, so that we can know that it's the other one. So pretty much it, other. Now we will run it and see in the browser. Now you can see when I click this other link, it takes me to the other.html file, but it does not open a new tab. Now we will see how to open a new tab. In this, first we will insert a second anchor tag and then write other.html. Now I will write here other new tab, means to know that it is the new tab option. Now I will show that it is working. When I go to my actual and click the other.new tab, it is still not making a new tab in the Chrome. To solve this problem, we have to only make one change in the HTML file, which is slight and minor, but it has a greater impact on the code. Now we will see what we have to add. We have to add target, and in this we have to add blank, which will tell the browser that we have to open a new tab. Now when I open this, you can see here home is here and other page is opened in a new tab. I have not worked on CSS, as it is not about CSS or anything, so I kept it simple to understand, and it's a minute change in the code. So many of the problems arises when we see this. This small difference can have a big impact on your website, as sometimes when we add these types of link in our main website and we redirect our user to another website, we forget that our user will not open a new tab and he will stuck on that website, and because of it does not become user friendly. But when we add the open new tab feature, it will automatically redirect to a new tab, which makes the user feel comfortable and use our website more. It's a small improvement to make a website good and user friendly. As if I want to open as a viewer, if I want to open this tab, in a new tab, I will have to right click, open in new tab. It is not a good user experience, so we have to include. But you have to understand that this feature is only used when we have to redirect them to other website, as this feature is not to be used on a regular basis. As if I want to visit my own website or other page of my own website, then we will use a simple anchor tab, as it is more efficient or it is more comfortable for the user to have only one tab open. But if the user has to be redirected to a new website or a new page, then we have to use this method, as it will make the user's experience a lot more happier, joyful. But if you add this feature in every link, then what happens that Chrome will, whenever we will click on this link, it will open a new tab, and the Chrome starts to lag as there are many tabs open. Okay, that's it. Signing out, Suhan. I will see you in my next video. Thanks.